All right, team. Saturday morning, dark dawn. Get a sip of the decaf. This is take two. I don't know what happened. Take one. I bumped something or something. I'm not sure. Ooh. Oh, that's way better. Wow, is that 70, 72? That's a dark dawn. It was 100 degrees today on Friday. I got both doors open, trying to cool it down in here. There's our red blinking star. Oop, 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 oop. You know how hard that is to do in the dark. I lost it. Oh, there it is. Yeah. And there's the Amazon guy. See, I told you he comes by at like 4:30 in the morning. I think he just waved at me. I couldn't tell. That's a pretty bright headlamp he's got. I suppose I'll drive over here now. Anyway, I don't know if it's 4:30 or not. I have no idea what time it is. It's dark dawn. I think the moon's over here today. There's the moon. Okay, that's weird. In person, it looks like a little sliver, not like a half moon or whatever. It's a crescent. When I try to film it, it looks like it's a half moon. Huh. Wonder if it'll be like that on TV, or if it's just on my phone screen. I think the 100 degrees finally baked the smell out of this. Oh, wow. Is that a mouse? That can't be a mouse. I don't know what that is, but it does kind of look like a really, really small mouse. Anyway, team. Maybe that's why it smells so bad. What we got in here? Got a dog food bag. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it. We got the back door open. It was 100 degrees. I know I mentioned that. I think it's technically 59 or 60 out now. And all I can hear is the ringing in my ears. Anyway, here comes the dawn. I think it'll be here another hour. I don't know. I don't know what time it is. Anyway, we got to go do lawn care today. I think that's it. I think we're just mowing today. I think that's all we got to do today, which should be awesome. So we're going to go for the early start like we've been doing. So I'll take a short break. And then we will rock star party till probably noon at least. Then we'll get back. Excuse me. I think that was a burp. I'm not sure what that was. Anyway, we'll rock star party till probably noon. And then I'll probably eat. And then I'll probably take a nap. And then we'll wake up and do it again. It's kind of how it goes. Anyway, team, I'm going to go take that break. I really, really, really would like to do that 40-foot tree this weekend. At least get it on the ground. Because if we get it on the ground, long haul could work on it during the week. Because that's the one that's at our house. No, let's call that it for now. I will catch up with you when something happens. Woo, on location. Can't see. I guess this must have snapped off the top of the tree somewhere. Well, I don't see where it's missing from. That is a ton of purpley pine cones. Or blue balls, or whatever you want to call them. God, I can't believe how many are on there. That's crazy. Anyway, I'm doing some trimming. Long haul's doing some mowing. We'll get back to it. Well, I found another broken branch. There must have been like some windiness that I didn't know about. Hope I can get this one in the can. My can's getting kind of full. We'll see what happens, I guess. Alright, team. Saturday afternoon. We're back at the house. We did all our lawn care stuff. I gotta fix my socks. I don't know what temp. It was like 97 today, but it seems a lot cooler now, but I'm also in the shade. The plan is we're gonna get this guy on the ground. I still think it's 40 foot, but I don't know. Maybe 12 inches. It's got the double lean. It's leaning away from me. So it leans away and it leans that way. I don't know, can you tell? Definitely going like that, but it also comes toward us. Anyway, the plan is we're gonna go toward the wagon over there and hopefully miss that windmill. We're gonna drop it on top of that little pile of logs from the one we did the other day. I don't think we're gonna film it falling though, because we're running out of time. We got back and we ate and we took a nap and then we did a TV break because I didn't want to come out here and cut it when it was 97. Anyway, we'll get the stuff together, we'll get it all set up. Maybe there'll be some more filming, I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. All right, team. Got a notch, got a back cut. I think it started to, got a rope. I think it started to lean a little bit, so I think we're just gonna go try pulling the rope. I don't think I cut enough back cut, but we will shortly find out.
Okay. Oh my. That was definitely dead.
All right, team. I guess I didn't need any more back cut. She went farther that way than I wanted. Got a little bit of, knocked some leaves off of that, but didn't break anything. Let's see what we got. I think because she was leaning this way, when she went, she started to drift off that way. I mean, that looks pretty textbook to me. But yeah, we were shooting more for this way, not there. But I as it came over, it started to drift, something like that. Oh, it smells like wood's burning. I don't think it's us. Anyway, I'm pleased with that. I think everybody's pleased with that. I think we're just gonna go ahead and jump on it and limb it up and buck it up. Well, maybe not buck it up. That's a lot of bucking. Maybe we'll limb it and we'll do the stump and whatever later. Oh, by the way, I did cut it really high in hopes it didn't fall as far, which I think was a good idea considering how far out it did reach. Anyway, we'll get back on it. All right, team, talked it over with the crew. We're done. We're just gonna pick up the tools and stuff, put them away, and we'll come out tomorrow when it's like, you know, 60 degrees out instead of, I think it's still in the 90s. I wanted to, you know, I was all gung-ho to do this, but I like that idea. We'll just come out in the morning when it's really cool because it's an electric chainsaw. So I don't think we'll disturb anyone. Anyway, I think what we'll do is we'll see what we got going. I might just post this. But let me get the stuff put away. We'll see where we're at. All right, team, we got a little different view now. I have to watch last. I don't think I got it this week. Last week, I'm pretty sure I got the tree standing up in the background there. But as you can tell, now it's laying down. There's the stump. Anyway, I'd like to thank Long Haul and Luna and Mrs. Duggar for helping me do that. We're definitely wrapping up the video. But the plan is tomorrow we'll come out and cut that up when it's cool out. And hopefully next week it will all be gone. We'll call our firewood guy for the bigger pieces. He's been really good about coming and getting them for us. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take it easy. We'll see you next week, team.